Welcome to another Spice Secret recipe. Please try this at home and let us know your feedback in the comments below. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Share your recipes with us by using #IFB Spice Secrets.